Hi! In front of me is NOKIA X30 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon and when you find it, click on it. Then select closed in the pop-up and as you can see when I go back, location of my Nokia is off. But you can always turn it back on by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead, scroll down and tap on location section over here. Then tap on this switcher next to use location to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!